You walk through the front door after a long day, and the kids are already asking, "What's for dinner, Mommy?" Then this fast and comforting recipe is exactly what you need. Start by pouring 750 grams of rich tomato sauce and 750 grams of creamy Alfredo into your pan. Just look at those colors swirling together. Doesn't that look incredible? Give them a good mix and let them simmer on medium heat for about 15 minutes. Remember, treat the sauce with a little love. Give it a stir every 3 minutes so it stays perfectly smooth and doesn't catch on the bottom. Now, take your 400 grams of spaghetti and gently nestle it into the sauce. Don't force it, just let it rest. Cover the pan and let the steam work its magic to soften the pasta. Once it's ready, submerge those noodles completely and let it cook for another 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes, use your tongs to give it a good toss. You want every single strand to be saturated and glowing with that sauce. While the pasta is soaking up all that flavor, let's get the star of the show ready. In a separate pan, heat a splash of olive oil with 2 tablespoons of butter. Drop in 5 cloves of freshly chopped garlic, sauté them for just 30 seconds until the kitchen smells amazing. Now, add 500 grams of shrimp that have been cleaned and patted dry. A quick 2 minutes on each side is all it takes to get them perfectly tender. Season with salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Finally, pour those golden shrimp right over your pasta, give it one last gentle toss to bring it all together, and it's ready to serve. Just look at that! Mouth-watering, isn't it? If this recipe saved your busy evening, please hit that subscribe button to join our kitchen family. I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye for now!